hit one more here, and then we'll take a look at some numbers. All right. So, here are your averages with this current seven iron. If we're looking at this from a spin rate perspective, you might be a little bit high. It's probably not bad either, especially because your direction was really, really good on a lot of those shots. So I wouldn't worry about that too much. You can see here we're making center contact for the most part. 1.35 is good as far as the smash factor goes. Club head speed at 80 miles an hour, maybe a little bit below average. It's not quite, what you'll see some tour players or advanced players swinging it at. But again, we've been working on tempo and some other changes that are going to knock that speed down a little bit for the time being until you learn those new motor programs. When you start to learn the sequence and become more efficient from the top of your backswing to the golf ball, you'll see that tick back up. I would anticipate that you'll be able to get that back above 80 miles an hour without much of an issue. The other thing that I like to see too is that your attack angle has changed. So we're averaging right around 4 degrees, which is what we want to see. A little steeper is not going to hurt us, but that's also very, very playable. So I have no issues with that whatsoever and no problems with that. So I'll show you on your club where you've been hitting these. I mean, for the most part, we're maybe a little bit shaded towards the heel, just a touch, which that would kind of tell me that we're a little bit either toe up or heel down. Depends on the swing more than likely. But you can see here, I mean, if we're looking at the marks that are left on this club, there may be a shade towards the toe. Okay, so these probably aren't quite upright enough for you. Maybe a degree would help you. But to be honest with you, these probably aren't bad either. So you have a decent shaft here. You've got 7,200 is kind of your average spin rate. With a 7 iron, if we look over at the charts for like tour average on those, I mean, they're at 7,000, 7,100, so that's pretty spot on. I wouldn't change a lot as far as that goes. Okay. This is shaded a hair towards the toe, so maybe we do something with like a degree upright. But that would really be the only change that I would make to these clubs, so I think you've got